Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Tehoosen toy revolver. So here it is. So like I said, this is the Tehoosen toy revolver, and this is in the 10th anniversary edition. So it has like a deep blue colorway to it, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, they covered up the 7 plus and they changed it to 15 plus. So it's definitely not a little kid toy. But let's just get straight into the packaging. Alright, so here's the packaging. We get the revolver itself. We get these little beads. All these little bullets that I already opened up and took some out. We get these right here. Alright, and then under this we get a whole bunch of replacements. So definitely these are really small, so they can probably get lost really easy. So they do give you a lot of replacements. And then they also include some other sizes. These are very small, compact, and then these are a little longer, which are pretty cool as well. And then we have the instructions right here, which are pretty simple. And then finally we have this little holster, but this definitely looks really cheap. So I'll be just putting this in the box. Alright, so here we have all the stuff that it came with. We have all these little bullet replacements. And then here we have all these bullets that you would put, essentially all these this ammo you would essentially just put inside here. So as you can see, it already came with a full clip of cartridges, and these are just extra. And so these here are completely empty, as you can see, and these right here are full. So the ones that I took out of here, I put them in this one. That's an empty one, that's a full one. So this is what I mean, they're just so versatile. You can use any of these ammos that you have in these little packets. So these are going to be really soft, but then you can also use these harder plastic ones, which are a little heavier and a little harder. And then finally you can also use these little gel balls, which actually makes it really versatile to be able to put many different sizes and different ammo into these little cartridges. So I'm just going to show you real quick how it operates. Like I said, these are your cartridges right here, and you pretty much put whatever you want, anything that fits. So we have these plastic ones that are hard. We have these softer ones, these foam ones that are a lot softer. And then you can also use these little gel balls as long as you just put them in water. But overall it's just pretty simple. So I'm not gonna shoot anything right now, but I'm definitely gonna show you how it works. So here we have 2 cartridges that are empty, but just imagine you can put one of these in, you can put one of these in, you can put one of the gel balls in, so you can put anything you want in here. And so let me show you how it works. You open it, put them inside, then you close it. Obviously you can play with it a little bit, right? That's why this is a toy, you can play with it. So I like to turn it and then flick it inside. You can also, you know, do many fun things with this. Again, you put it in, right? So very simple, very easy, very fun, definitely. And at first I was kind of scared of how hard it probably would shoot something. It definitely is hard, but it's fun. That's why it's not for kids under 15 years old. But it's a fun little piece that you can just play with. Like I said, I will be leaving a link to this particular product in the description, so make sure you check it out if you're interested.